What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the action can't be completed because a folder or a file is open in another program on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. This error usually appears when you're trying to delete or move files of a program which is still running in the background, preventing you from changing the files. To fix this, simply use the shortcut Windows key and R, or search for run and hit enter. In this dialog box, enter resmon.exe. This will open up your resource monitor. In the CPU tab, open associated handles, and here search for the folder or file which is giving you the error. This will allow you to end the process from here and enable you to delete or move the file again. In case the issue persists, then assure yourself that the application is not still running on your system. To prevent it from running in the background, such as Steam or Discord, you can exit out of the application in your system tray. You can also completely end the process from running in your task manager. Right-click your taskbar to open up your task manager. Here in the Processes tab, right-click the application and select End Task. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.